Welcome back to the channel. On this episode, we explore the Fashion Show Mall, Las Vegas, between Treasure Island and the Wynn. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of my brand new walkthrough videos exploring Las Vegas and of course my vlogs. Let's head into the Fashion Show Mall and check it out. The Fashion Show Mall opened on February 14th, 1981, anchored by Diamonds, Bullocks, Goldwater's, Neiman Marcus, and Saks Fifth Avenue. Diamonds was converted to a Dillard store in 1986. Goldwater's became a May Company store in 1989, and then a Robinson's May in 1993, while Bullocks was converted to a Macy's in 1996. As we head in here, it is a massive retail space. Right here we have Lip Lab by Byte. Over 1.8 million square feet of space. It's 3 levels high. It is completely massive. You could spend hours and hours. There's a Hugo Boss right there. And we continue to walk straight forward. You see the UGG store coming up straight forward. And like I said, you could spend hours and hours in this place and explore the whole place. It does have a food court, not the biggest food court in the world, but we are going to check that out. You see Banana Republic on the left, Tiffany and Company on the right here, Untuck It right there on the right hand side, Uno Day 50, like a jewelry store in there. We got Zara's coming up on the right there. They have those coveted massage chairs on the left hand side. If you haven't checked those out, I think you put in $1 and you get a few minutes of massage time. I don't personally like them, they actually hurt my back, but there's an elevator in here. The food court is up right here, and of course the escalator was not working right now. I did come back to it, and you will see in the video where the escalator finally starts working. Let's head back this way. There's Mom right there. And check out some of these amazing places. You got the US Polo store right there. Huge sales, huge deals. I know a lot of people always associate Vegas with gambling, but there is some amazing malls in Las Vegas. We got Maggiano's up here straight forward. I believe it was closed at the time. And then Hollister to the left right there. Everybody seemed to be wearing their masks, which was a good thing. Okay, we're going to flip back around over here. As we walk straight forward, you do see the Dick's Sporting Goods sign. And then, of course, right there was Hollister's, like I mentioned before. And then the US Polo store right there to the right. We did mention that one. We got the Doc Martens store over there. Doc Martens have awesome boots and awesome shoes. And we're going to keep moving along. Banana Republic is up here on the right hand side. You can see the Saks Fifth Avenue, Nordstrom, Macy's, Dillard's, and the Forever 21 sign up forward. And then of course we do have the UGG store. Try not to get creamed by that guy and his family. And we keep moving right along. Like I said, it is a massive retail space up here, over 1.8 million square feet. You got a massive Forever 21 store right there. A bunch of good deals. Also, there's some sitting space up here to the right. Women's store up to the right here, and then straight forward you do see the Louis Vuitton store. It was awesome in there. Michael Kors, one of my mom's favorites. I bought her a watch. Michael Kors. We got the Kendra Scott store up on the right. I did not go inside a lot of these places. I went into a couple stores, but for the most part I just walked around and wanted to show everybody. There's the Kate Spade store right there. So whenever you do come on your Vegas vacation, make sure you do check out the Fashion Show Mall. And leave a comment down below if there's any space you want me to go check out. I know I have the Grand Canal shops coming and a couple other surprise places we're going to do walkthrough videos of too. So like I said, make sure you do hit that thumbs up and you are subscribed so you don't miss any of this cool content. And you do have the bell ring for notifications so you know when I post a brand new video. There's Bath & Body Works to the right there. And we keep moving right along. Got the Coach store right there. Everybody knows about the Coach purses and whatnot. And we keep moving right along. It's just mind-blowing how massive this space is. We got the Diesel store to the right. And we keep moving right along. PacSun, Macy's, Casino Quest, Z Gallery. We got the Express store right there, straight forward. And we have the escalator right there. We're going to keep moving along. We got a lot of Nike products in there. And then straight forward you do see the Champion store, which is absolutely amazing. And then we got the Macy's store up on the right hand side over there. We keep it moving right along right here. And we got an awesome ice cream and yogurt place coming up. Homemade Italian ice cream and desserts. We have a CBD store right there to the right hand side. Like I mentioned before, this place is absolutely massive. You'll definitely have to come check it out. There's the Gap store to the right. The Godiva chocolate store coming up to the left-hand side. All you chocolate lovers, I love Godiva chocolates. They are out of this world. Looks like we got the Ultra Karaoke sign up top in the Grand Canal shops, which we will be exploring them very soon. So if you haven't checked out the Grand Canal shops, you're definitely going to have to stay subscribed to the channel so you don't miss that. They even have a sign for where you can catch the ride share. And then we got the Tommy Bahama store up to the right hand side. We got Dillard straight forward. There is a California Pizza Kitchen if you could check that out on the left hand side. So there was some awesome restaurants. Earl of Sandwich is up there to the left hand side also, and the top you do see Finish Line. Optica is coming up here on the right hand side. And then of course you do have some more massage chairs right over there, but we're going to turn back this way and head towards Dick's. We got a Johnny Rockets right there. I love Johnny Rockets. Some people say it's good, some people don't really like it. I personally like it. The only thing is the price is kind of steep. You know, you get $14 for a burger and some fries, no drink. So that's the only downfall. We got Janie and Jack on the right hand side. Not really sure what that place was, but when you're in the Fashion Show Mall, you're gonna have to check out that store. And we're gonna keep it moving right along this way. And then we do have a restroom up there, and then like I mentioned before, there's the Godiva chocolate store up on the right hand side. And then some more clothing stores coming up here. then Saks Fifth Avenue is right this way. One of the original stores of the Fashion Show Mall, like I mentioned in the intro. And then we have a phone case thing on the left-hand side. But we're gonna head down this escalator right here and see what we got going down here. I see the buckle store straight forward. Free Wi-Fi. Once you're in the store, you can use the Wi-Fi if you have to. I did see a couple people on their computers, brought their computers in and did some work. We got the White House Black Market, straightforward. Like I said, I didn't go into a lot of these stores, so some of these newer ones that I haven't heard of, definitely have to check those out in the future. We got Victoria's Secrets up here to the left-hand side. Keep moving right along this way. There's the pink collection from the Victoria's store. I know a lot of ladies out there wear a lot of that pink clothing and stuff like that. We got Marciano's up on the left-hand side. We got Aldo on the right-hand side. Clothing store, we got Lucky Brand up on the right hand side. And like I said, just one level of the Fashion Show Mall is massive, let alone all the levels. I tried to scoot through it as fast as I could so you guys can get a visual of everything. The beauty studio right there on the right hand side. And we got Sephora. An amazing place right there. You know, there you had a little headphone display on the left hand side right there. More phone glass cases. We got the Swatch store. We got Echo right there. We got Chico's over there. A lot of stores down that way. Like I mentioned, Echo right there. And we're going to keep moving right along this way. We got the AG store right there. We got the Crocs store coming up on the right hand side. And then of course Steve Madden. They have some great suits, some great shoes. Just some great classy wear at Steve Madden's. And then like I said right there, there's places you could sit down if you're walking or you're waiting for your wife or girlfriend or your friend or mother or dad or whatever. You can sit down and chill out right there. You don't have to walk around this massive space. And we're going to keep moving right along this way. I know I'm going to take you guys up to the food court so you guys can check that out. We got the Mac store up on the right hand side over here. A lot of makeup and stuff for the ladies. We got Auntie Anne's right there. They got some amazing pretzels. If you haven't checked them out, definitely check them out. And then of course Forever 21 right here. Now let's head up to the food court, guys, and check the food court out. The escalator was finally working at this point, so I was like, let's go up there and check out the food court. And what's cool about the food court is you can sit outside. There's some spaces outside where you can sit outside and have a meal in the nice Nevada heat. We got Kung Fu Tea on the left-hand side right there. We got Solo K coming up right here. And then like I said right there to the right, you can actually eat outside. We got Panda Express up here. We got the Wing Addiction. And I do believe most of these stores were open. I know some weren't. We got Ike's right there. Cartel Tacos right there. Zuki Hana. and Oppa. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Much love to you. I'm going to do plenty more of these walkthrough videos, and we will see you guys next time. Later.